AI breakthrough. Real-time multilingual voice translation hits Asia. Welcome to Localization News You Can Use, your daily dose of localization know-how. Well, it seems AI media is making some serious waves across Asia's broadcast scene this May. And frankly, it's about time someone shook things up. The Australian AI language specialists are putting their latest bit of kit, LEXI Voice, front and center at a couple of massive industry events. KOBA 2025 in Seoul, and then zipping over to Broadcast Asia 2025 in Singapore. What's the big deal, you ask? LEXI Voice is designed to take live captions and transform them into natural sounding audio in over 100 languages. We're talking about a system that eliminates the need for pricey human interpreters in booths and all that cumbersome hardware we've been battling for years. Imagine real-time voice translation with incredibly low latency, voices customizable using AI, and potential cost savings of up to 90%. That's not just a small step, it's a giant leap. Plus, it apparently integrates smoothly with existing SDI and IP encoders. So AI media isn't just joining the race, they're aiming to lead it. First up in Seoul, AI Media is teaming up with their Korean partner BS Systems to demonstrate LEXI Voice at the BS Solutions booth. That's hashtag D326 if you're heading to KOBA. They'll be showing off the whole package: LEXI Voice, LEXI Translate, real-time captioning capabilities, and encoder tools like Alta and Encoder Pro, all working together to fit neatly into broadcast workflows. Then, just a few days later, they're off to Singapore for Broadcast Asia. And this is quite the statement. AI Media has been named the official captioning partner for the event. That means they'll be providing live captions for all the main stages at the Asia Tech X Singapore conference. If that doesn't scream confidence in their tech, I don't know what does. Now, why should we really sit up and take notice? LEXI Voice isn't just another AI gizmo. It's a proper, practical solution to the ever-growing demand for live content in multiple languages. As AI Media CEO Tony Abraham suggested, this could be the tipping point where delivering content in many languages finally makes solid business sense. For anyone producing events, broadcasting content, or running businesses across countries and languages, the takeaway is clear. The way we think about accessibility is changing. It's going multilingual, happening in real time, and being driven by AI, not just human interpreters. That's a major shift. So if you're in Seoul between May 20th and 23rd, swing by the CEX Convention Center, booth D326 with BS Systems. Or if you're in Singapore from May 27th to 29th, catch them at the Singapore Expo, booth 5I3-8. Definitely one to watch. Thank you for listening to this episode of Localization News You Can Use, your daily dose of localization know-how.